What are you playing with?
Some teapots and some balls and some coffee in my teapot and you got some in my tea.
Yeah? Who got you that tea set?
So Grandma got me that tea set.
Grandma got you the tea set and Grandpa too.
Yeah, me too.
Can you pour some tea? You pouring sugar into your coffee?
No, throw it back in.
Pour some milk in? And can you pour a cup of it into your pink cup? I meant to pour the tea or coffee into your pink cup. Yeah. What do you like about tea parties?
Balloons, pink cup, orange cup, white cup, orange cup, orange cup.
Those are silver.
Those is good.
The color is silver.
Color sugar.
Yeah. Did you show Gabe how to have a tea party yesterday?
Yeah.
Yeah? Was he drinking from a cup too?
Yeah, me using my tea parties too.
Mm-hmm.
Those are my own tea parties.
Yeah?
Got me those tea parties.
Yeah. Can you look at the camera and say thank you, Grandma and Grandpa?
Thank you, come.
And give a big smile.
Happy.
All right.